Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. And today it's a gloomy day. So I am on call support because I think all the pet owners will know. Usually, dogs get scared when there is a rain or thunderstorm. I think they hear it in what do you call the sound by multiplied times, since their hearing capacity is very much more than ours. And also he can feel the thunder before it happens, so he'll be running here and there. So I wanted to finish today with the skincare, that way I can go concentrate and calm him down. It's like a baby only, like if you remember the toddler stage, there will be a stage where your kid doesn't want you to sit. As long as you hold them and stand, they'll be happy, but when you sit they don't like it. So it's similar to that, like he likes me to hold and hold tight and keep it like this forever and stand, but Cloudy will not sit. If once I sit, like once I sit, he will jump and go and start scratching the doors. So today that's what will be my main task, because it's so gloomy and it's going to rain all day. So let's see how it goes. And last day of the month, usually it's my busy day, because I need to do my stocks, and I need to do plan for what is coming next month. And that way I can place the order tomorrow morning first thing. And this new seminar starts tomorrow. So if you remember, I was asking for the skincare certification. I'm planning to do that. Let me talk about it once I going to start applying. So you have seen me exfoliate 1,000 times. Like I have done in different ways. Like I have done just the resurfacer, I have done just the detox mask, I have mixed them. I will do 2 times cleansing. I have done resurfacer, and then I used to follow it with the detox mask. So I have done so many ways. This is one thing I recently learned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the detox mask first. So this is again an exfoliator, but this is a very gentle exfoliator. So this is a mask. So for people who have breakouts, or even teens can use this, because this is perfect for even sensitive skin and acne prone skin, because here it's going to pull out all the junks and clear your pores. So that way you start to reduce your how do you call, like your breakouts. So that's very important thing. What I'm doing is I'm just applying a little bit of water. That way when my detox mask goes, because you can see this is really thick mask. So one tub will last you so long. So you can start anywhere from once a week to up to 3 times a week, not more than that. And you will use only very tiny amount of product. So that way this will be lasting you longer. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to massage it in my skin, and then I'm going to apply the resurfacer on top of it. So here I'm just massaging the what do you say, like the detox mask on my skin. The detox mask has a component called kaolin clay, so which will absorb all the impurities from your skin. So that way it's going to keep your skin clean. And if you have breakouts also, this is easy to apply, because this is not a dry out mask. It will dry out clear. So that way I always tell them, like even if you're watching TV or if you're doing something, even while you are cooking, you can still you wear this mask and you can do other stuff. That way you don't have to worry about it drying. I usually leave it even overnight. And this also has arnica flower extract, so that way it's going to calm your skin down. It has green tea extract, and it also has our volcanic ash in it. And when we talk about volcanic ash, I can never stop talking about the resurfacer. It's my all-time top seller when it comes to skincare. So you can start, it already start to observe, and at the same time it's going to be really moisturizing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a little bit of the resurfacer. I will start with this amount since I'm going to use as like a mask instead of rubbing. So I'm going to just apply it on top of the, I'm going to add a tiny bit of water to it, so that way it makes it easy. So I'm just massaging and I'm just applying it all over. So it is like a dual purpose, and that way you can make them sit like as I said, if you had breakouts and you don't want to rub, sometimes it's better not to rub. So you can make this sit on your face like a Pac-Man. What it's going to do is it's going to start eating all the dead skin cells. At the same time, it's going to gently moisturize at the same time, since it has the detox mask. In fact, our resurfacer has nangai oil in it. So instead of wasting whatever I had, I'm going to just rub it in my chin too. That way I'm going to make it sit for like 10-15 minutes and then wash it off. And even if you have, you can even just gently exfoliate your hands, because anywhere in your body, if you have any dry spots like your ankles, your knees or elbows, you can apply both of them, or when you shower, and you will start to notice that you don't have any dry scalpy one. Instead it will slowly start to get moisturized. So I always like to, whatever I had it in hand, I didn't add anything extra. I'm just adding whatever I had in my hand. So if you're hopping on, don't get scared. What I did is I used the detox mask as a one layer, and I then applied the resurfacer on my face. So instead of rubbing, I'm going to let them sit as like a mask together for 15-20 minutes. Then I can slowly rub it away. That way I will have like a clear skin. You can do it once a week, or you can do 15 days once, based on your time. I always prefer to do at least once a week, because as we age, we produce more dead skin cells, and once you start to take away the dead skin cells, that's when your whatever product you are using, that can penetrate really well and work its best. So even if you feel like your makeup is not adhering better, or if you feel like your makeup is looking little patchy, that means it's time for you to exfoliate. So these two products, like they will last you minimum 6 months. Even if you can share with your teen, or if you are sharing with your spouse, anybody, this can work for anyone. As I said, if you have a teen, this is really nice for them to have, because they will have hormonal changes, they will have stress and so many breakouts, because sometimes if they have nail, if they have dandruff, I don't know if you guys are commenting. There is nothing popped up so far. So I know since I've been going live for past 2-3 days, sometimes Facebook doesn't want to show you anything. So I always tell that. So if you have commenting anything, I will go back and watch it. So if you have, as I said, a teen, then having them have the detox mask is a really easy way for them to incorporate in their skincare. So when you have a teen, you don't have to have a lot of stuff. Even a basic skincare would suffice. And then on top of that, you can just add this just to keep them pores clean, because they go out a lot. They if they don't wash their face really nice, then that's when they start to have breakouts. So having a detox mask will really help, because it's going to pull out all the junk from underneath the layer. At the same time, it's going to be moisturizing. So for anyone who has a dry skin, this will be really nice on you, because it's not going to pull your skin at all. Instead, it's putting extra moisture. Me and my friend Janani, we always keep talking about it. Like my favorite way to do is I always wash my face at night and apply the detox mask, and I even do my jade roller, I massage it for some time and let it soak in for like even sometimes overnight, because when you wipe it away with a white towel, you will see how much it actually pulled. Even though it dries out clear, when you can wipe it out with a white towel, you will see the junk that is coming out of your pores, because you will feel like you are washing your makeup really well, you are doing it all those things, but sometimes your pores will get clogged with the dead skin cell or from the pollutants. Now that we have pollen and we are going out, I can't imagine what is sitting on the face. So that's why we always talk about washing your face twice a day, morning and night. If you see, not everyone is going to wash your pillowcase every day, so that way whatever from the oils from your hair or whatever bacteria that is sitting on your pillowcase, that will get transferred to your face again. So that way washing it in the morning makes a huge difference. Similar way, at night you need to remove your makeup first and then make sure you wash it nicely, so that whatever pollutants or the makeup that is there, you need to clean it before you go to bed. So that's why having a basic skincare routine will be like a must have for everyone. And even if you feel like you don't have time for that, not twice a day, then at least twice a week you will be able to do this to take care of yourself better. So that's all it is, and I hope you learned something new from this. And today is the last day to place any order to get entered for the giveaways, and I'm going to enter all the names today and keep it ready for tomorrow. So far we are at 110, so for 125 I thought I will add one more. Let's see whether we are going to reach it or not, or else I will be doing with whatever names I have. As I mentioned, it's always $25 gets you one entry for the giveaway. So that's my what to say, like a standard practice I follow for so long time. So based on that, I will be entering all of you who purchased. And if you have any doubts, please do ping me. And anytime when you want to order, whether it's from website or from me, just make sure to ask me sometime. It's nothing wrong in ordering from the website or anything, just that it directly ships from Senegal. So for example, if I have a sold out shade that you wanted, then I will not be able to add it to that. Instead, if you order from me, then I can add the samples, I can add extra gifts and personalize it and then send it across. So that's the only difference. Other than that, if I don't have, I always anyway forward you to the website to order it. So you all have a wonderful day, guys, and see you all tomorrow.